Hey guys, I'm Amir Babazadeh from Learn channel. Welcome to another lecture, and in this lecture and next lectures I want to show you how can you use password package in Laravel. Well, if you don't know what is it password package in Laravel, I little explain it for you, but for more details you have to go on Google and search it. Well, by password package you can make your API for your Laravel project, and that's it. I'm opening my browser and go to official documentation of Laravel. I'm on the laravel.com, that official website for Laravel, and then go to documentation, waiting for open it. On the left side you have to click on official packages, then go to the password. And before I explain this documentation for you, you have to create your Laravel project. In here I'm using Laravel, and click on start all services, then go to menu, quick app, and then here I'm give a project name. For example, I'm using Seriland. If you use another name, it doesn't have any problem. And I'm waiting for installing it. It takes some minutes maybe, but waiting for it. For installation password package, you have to write composer require Laravel passport, then you have to write php migrate, then install password package, and some configs in user module and as service provider, and config as.php. And that's so easy, don't confuse. Well, my project installed, and I'm cloning CMD, and here I'm reloading my Apache. Well, I open my Google Chrome again, then refresh this page. As you see, Selenium.test is working successfully, and here if I refresh this page, you can see my Selenium database. And I'm using Visual Studio Code editor for editing my project. As you see, I'm open this folder, or you can open by click on the file and then go to open folder, and here I'm clicking on Sailor. In here you have to open env file and change the db database to your database name. For me it's Sailor, and that's it. Then I'm opening my terminal and copy this code and paste it here, then click on enter and waiting for install it. After you install composer require Laravel password, you have to write php artisan migrate. That's so easy, and don't worry, I'm with you. Of course, in this lecture I just wanna show you how can you use the basic config for password. In the next lecture we are using login and register methods in password and etc. Well, laravel password installed, and here we have to type php artisan migrate. And migrated, then I'm opening again my documentation, and you have to write php artisan password. So I copy it and here paste it, then click on enter. It's installed. Open again, and we have to go to your user model. In VS Code, I'm using Control P hotkey and writing user, as you see, user.php, and here I have to use this address. And after you import it, you have to use has API tokens in your user class. I'm use it here, has API tokens, and refactor it. Then we have to go to our service provider and put this address here in the boot function. I'm using Control P and go to our service provider. Oops. Provider, and here I paste it, and let me give it a comment. Passport package. And then we have to go to config us.php. It's exists on config folder or directory, and then go to us.php and change the API driver to passport, as you see here on the documentation. API driver passport. And that's it, the basic config finished, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Take care.